Chevrolet Corvette 2008. We're doing a AC compressor replacement. It is the old one. The front clutch went out on it, making a noise. Just a new one here, ready to put it in. Gonna add the oil to it and change the condenser, the expansion valve, do the flush on it and put it back in. That's 2008, like I say, Chevrolet Corvette AC compressor replacement. If this is job too big for you, we can get it done for you. If you're in Houston, I get some people calling me from out of town and stuff, but I really can't do nothing about it. But if you're in Houston, you can give me a call to 832-618-7291, and we can put this on for you, or any work that you need, we can get it done. Thank you. See you guys later.